Opening shot, the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600 rolls into view gliding smoothly on the road. The chrome grille gleams under the sunlight, and the sleek LED headlights add a futuristic touch. Welcome to the height of automotive luxury, the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600. This SUV isn't just about transportation, it's a statement of class, sophistication, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're behind the wheel or enjoying the comfort of the back seat, this vehicle delivers an unparalleled experience. Let's start with the exterior. The first thing you'll notice is its commanding presence. The massive Maybach grille dominates the front, flanked by adaptive LED headlights that adjust automatically to road conditions. The signature Maybach badging, along with the elegant chrome accents, give this SUV an unmistakable identity. Every detail is designed for elegance, from the smooth, aerodynamic curves to the 23-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels that add a touch of grandeur. The GLS 600 is not just built for performance, it's built to be seen. Now, let's step inside. As soon as you open the soft closed doors, you're welcomed into a world of pure luxury. The interior is wrapped in the finest Nappa leather, with handcrafted wood trim and aluminum accents giving it a premium feel. The ambient lighting, which offers multiple color options, sets the perfect mood for every journey. And let's talk about the seats. These aren't just regular seats, they're first-class lounge chairs. Both the driver and passenger seats are heated, ventilated, and equipped with a massage function, ensuring total comfort no matter how long the drive. But the real luxury is in the rear cabin. Here, passengers get the full Maybach treatment: fully reclining seats, a rear entertainment system with dual 12.3-inch screens, and even a dedicated center console with a built-in champagne cooler and silver-plated flutes. Whether you're working on the go or simply relaxing, the GLS 600 makes every journey feel like a VIP experience. Of course, luxury isn't just about comfort, it's also about performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600 is powered by a handcrafted 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, delivering 550 horsepower and 730 Nm of torque. This powerhouse of an engine ensures that acceleration is effortless, taking this large SUV from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just around 4.8 seconds. And thanks to the EQ-Boost mild hybrid system, the GLS 600 gets an extra surge of power when needed while improving efficiency at the same time. But power means nothing without control. That's why Mercedes has equipped this SUV with an advanced air suspension system. The GLS 600 literally glides over bumps and uneven terrain, making every ride as smooth as possible. The e-active body control system scans the road ahead and adjusts the suspension in real time, giving passengers a ride so comfortable it almost feels like floating. And for those who love off-road adventures, the GLS 600 comes with multiple drive modes, including an off-road setting that enhances traction and stability. Now, let's talk about technology. The GLS 600 is packed with the latest innovations from Mercedes-Benz. The massive MBUX infotainment system dominates the dashboard, offering a fully customizable interface with AI-powered voice commands. Simply say, "Hey, Mercedes," and the system will assist you with navigation, climate control, or even changing the ambient lighting to match your mood. The touchscreen is intuitive and supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity. And then there's the sound system, a Burmester 3D surround sound setup with over 26 speakers strategically placed throughout the cabin. Whether you're listening to classical music, a podcast, or your favorite hip-hop track, the audio quality is crystal clear and immersive. It's like having a private concert inside your car. Safety, of course, is a top priority. The 2025 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600 is equipped with an array of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and autonomous emergency braking. The 360-degree camera system provides a complete view around the vehicle, making parking and maneuvering easier than ever. And for those who prefer an even more hands-free driving experience, the semi-autonomous driving mode allows the SUV to take control in certain conditions, keeping you safe and stress-free. So, who is the GLS 600 for? It's for those who demand more than just an ordinary SUV. It's for executives, entrepreneurs, and luxury enthusiasts who appreciate the finer things in life. Whether you're driving it yourself or being chauffeured in the back, this Maybach SUV delivers an experience unlike any other. To sum it up, the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600 is the perfect combination of power, luxury, and innovation. It's a vehicle that doesn't just transport you, it elevates your entire journey. And that's it for today's in-depth look at the 2025 GLS 600. Let us know in the comments, would you take this beauty for a ride? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.